Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix SSD not showing in Windows. So you've just gone and connected an SSD into your computer, and now you're finding that when you come and open up your file explorer, come to this PC, it's not showing up here. What you need to do to fix this is press search at the bottom, and you want to go and type in disk partitions, and you can find create and format hard disk partitions. Wait for this to go and load. It took around 30 seconds, and now what you need to do is come down to the lower part and go and find your SSD. It's going to go and say unallocated. Right click on it and press new simple volume, and we can go through the setup here. I don't change this. I will press next, choose a letter, then press next. I don't change any of this, and then press next and press finish. Now it's going to go and be allocated. Be patient, it will go and format it. And now it's finished. Now what we can do is go and open up our file explorer, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.